My name is Jasmine Karis. I'm a community textiles artist and I'm the current artist in residency at tactile. My background is in textiles print specifically, but I feel like I'm a texture babe, so I just love anything that has texture, and I'm really interested in how I can create texture. So I will hop on the sewing machine and kind of do embroidery and freehand embroidery and like stitching, and kind of look at how I can layer different textiles processes to create something new. So a big part of my practice is finding my own way of archiving, so documenting my experience and kind of how I like navigate my life in London and just my daily walk. So a lot of the time I'm using my phone to take pictures and take videos of the things that I've foraged or noticed. It might be like a really fun print on the pavement, or there might be like an acorn and I like the shape. And then I have a workshop coming up on the 18th of March. We're going to be using recycled materials to create our own journals. So I'm a big journaler, so a lot of the workshops are kind of themed around creating our own journals and kind of our own ways of archiving, which again relates to my practice. I think I'm always someone that's reflecting and looking at my surroundings and like looking at my internal and external environment. So that's something I really like to share with participants.